a.m. I couldn't fall asleep again. Been overthinking all the little things.
Hi guys, what's up? It's Anne. I upload lifestyle, fashion, and sewing related content. So if you're interested in any of those, then make sure to subscribe. So if you've been watching my past few videos, make sure to rewatch those before watching this. This video is gonna be a house update. Another one. But we are almost there. We're almost done furnishing the house, and I cannot wait to be done. Our target was supposed to be by today actually, but because we got booked, we obviously can't go to the house, so we took a few days break. But really, it wasn't really a few days break because we're still going and shopping for more stuff. Anyways, a few videos back I mentioned that I have a special project at the house, which is the coffee bar and the alcohol bar, and I received some items that will be on the coffee and alcohol bar, so I wanted to show a little Shopee haul for y'all. This is this. It's obviously gonna go on the coffee bar. It got this image on Pinterest, and then I had it printed at Pinwheel Shop or Pinwheel 888 on Shopee. I'm gonna link them on the description box. All of these posters are also printed there. I just love them. They have such high quality and affordable printing services. So yeah, I love them. Also the frame is from them too. Then the next one is this for the alcohol bar. It says let's party, and yeah, they just look so good together. And then what else for the coffee bar? Got creamer, coffee, and sugar for the repacked coffee that people can buy inside the house. From Shopee, I also got this. I got a bunch of rugs, but I only have one here because we're using most of them already. So it's just your regular rug, the OG basahan of every Filipino. I got them from Shopee instead of getting them from sa palengke because of the color. There's just so many more aesthetically pleasing colors that matches that boho theme on Shopee. So I got them there. Yesterday we went out to buy a carpet because we need one more yard of the carpet for the upstairs and for the loft. And then I got the shelves actually for the coffee bar and the alcohol bar yesterday, but sa Thursday ko pa sila pick up. It's Saturday today. And then we also went to this shop called Ola, and yeah, you can scan this QR code to follow them on Facebook and message them and check their branches. But they sell everything home stuff that is made out of fabric: curtains, bed sheets, blankets, pillowcases, shower curtains, all of those stuff, and they are so affordable. I love it. I forgot how much this was, but it's a bed sheet and 2 pillowcases, and the fabric is so nice and so soft. Then this, guys, if you need couch covers, please buy this. Basically, we bought this. I'm gonna insert the link of the Facebook Marketplace listing on the description box. But basically, we got this, but it didn't fit the couch, so we ended up not using it. But we're just gonna figure out how we're gonna cover the couch. The color of the couch doesn't match the entire vibe of the house. So guys, I received more packages. Okay, so let's open the parcels that I received. First thing was this big package. I think I know what this is. Let me open it off cam and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so I was right. These are the canvas sets that I ordered. So this 2 big ones, that's for the master's bedroom. Size. This is for the other 2 bedrooms. And then I'm planning to put a macrame art on the 2nd floor. Actually, don't think I've shown this to you guys yet, but this is the first one that I made. You can barely see it, but there. And then I'm gonna paint the ridges of that textured pattern. It looks so cool. This other piece, let's open. Okay. These are some dried flowers that I ordered for this big vases that I bought. And Mama bought some fake plants, but I realized I didn't like the look of it. Okay, so I bought this yellow, I forgot what it's called, flowers, and I bought 2 different sizes of pampas grass. Just think they're gonna look really, really cool. So I'm waiting for my sister, but we're gonna go to the house. I'm gonna show you some stuff that I recently received. I DIY'd a macrame art that we're gonna put, I think, in the dining area, so I'm gonna show you that. Also, we're gonna do that. We're gonna go to Marquee. Just need to buy some stuff with the textured painting that I'm DIYing for the bedrooms. And then, yeah, I have one more macrame art that I want to do for the second floor, and then that's it for the art, I think. We just got here, so haul muna tayo ng mga pinamili. Bili ako ng 4 of these container for shampoo and body soap para hindi na yung sachet ng body soap ng gamitin. So, and then i-refill na lang. So, I bought 4 of those. Oh, I bought this. Hindi ko alam kung magiging for the straw for the coffee bar or base. And then, meron ng mga ibang wine glass, pero 4 lang. So, bumili ako ng 2 pa para 6 yung yung wine glass natin. So, for the alcohol bar. And then, cocktails naman to. By the way, I bought all of this from Mr. DIY. I just bought this cute little mason jar inspired things. The shelf for the alcohol bar and the coffee bar will be delivered tomorrow. So, ito siya. Ayan. It's so cute. Parang cute siya for cocktails, diba? And so yeah, that's everything that I got. Ngayon, papalitan na natin ito. Kasi hindi ko siya nagustuhan eh. Ito, papalitan ko siya ng dried flowers that I showed earlier in this video. And pampas grass. So, let's start doing that. Okay, so natapos na namin to. Ayan na sila. Super cute. Pero, wala pang hook na paglalagyan ng macrame art. Ito yung ginawa ko. Kaya sawa ka mo nga, papakita ko. And then, eto guys, yung pinakita kong painting dito sila sa wall na to. Hindi na kasi lang. Ano, papakita ko yung. Pero, ito yung macrame art na ginawa ko. So, ikakat ko pa siya ng ganun. Pero, kailangan ko kasing tansyahin yung height para sa wall na paglalagyan niya. So, titignan pa natin. So, yeah. It's so cute. And, then, eto na guys yung center table natin. Binili namin to last time. Hindi ko na naipakita. Galing lang SM. And then, eto citronella. And then, eto SM din. And then, kumain sila mama kanina dito. So, meron pang pinagkainan. Pero, eto naman yung ating kitchen. Binili din namin tong set na to. It's so cute. And then, ilagay lang namin dyan siya sa tray. And then, dito ko ilalagay yung macrame. So, parang habang nagda-dining or habang kumakain, ang background is yung macrame kasi malaki siya. And then, eto pala, hindi ko pa ito na ipapakita pero sobrang bigat niya. Nagpa-customize kami nitong bar stool for this. And then, balak namin itong gawin parang breakfast area. So, ayan. So far, ayan. Madilim na sa labas. So, di ko na maipapakita. Tomorrow, i-update ko kayo about sa pool. Kasi sisimulan na siya finally tomorrow. Yeah, that's it. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!
If spring is the season that wakes me alive, and fall is the season to contemplate life. Oh,
this is what we have so far. Hindi pa siya natapos. Nagkulang kami sa paint. But this is what we have so far. And then, another one. My sister's doing another one. Kapalat mo, sis. And then, so yeah, hindi dumating yung shelf ko today, sadly. Tomorrow na siya dadating. But that's it for this week's video. Update ko na lang kayo next week or in a few days about the pool. Para isang buong video na yung pool and yung second floor kasi ipipaint natin siya. So, yeah, I'll see you guys next week with another video. Bye! Bye, sis! Bye! Kudos!
say goodbye.